Many channels are making thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts. If you don't believe me, just look at the massive view counts on this channel. And even this one. There is no doubt that these views translate into thousands of dollars every single month, even for Shorts. This niche has exploded in popularity and everyone loves watching it. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a room cleaning video in just 3 minutes, strictly using copy and paste. I'm giving you everything ready to go and just follow along to the end to understand the method. Right now, we have this file here containing every single prompt we need. That is why I told you it is simply copy and paste. But please, stick around until the end so you understand the purpose of each prompt here. We have 3 prompts here dedicated to creating images and 2 prompts for creating the videos. Let's copy the first prompt designated for the first image, as written here. Now, head over to Flow. Select Create Image. Make sure to choose the correct image settings specifically for Shorts aspect ratio. Paste the prompt right here and hit Generate. After a few moments, we get this result. An old room that desperately needs cleaning and organizing. Now, go back to the file and copy the second prompt to create the second image. Click on the first image to modify it without changing its basic structure. Paste the prompt and wait a few moments for the result to appear. As you can see, this result is amazing, isn't it? Now return to the file one more time to copy the third prompt. Go back to Flow and let's edit the second image in the exact same way. Paste the prompt here, and this is the result. Let's go ahead and download all 3 images. We are done generating the images. Now let's turn them into beautiful videos. Select frame to video to convert the images into animation. In the first frame here, place the first image. There, as you can see. In the second frame, place the second image. Now, go back to the file and copy this prompt that will transform these images into a video. Paste the prompt here and wait for the result. Now the video generation is finished, and let's watch the result together. The result is stunning, and all of this took just 1 minute. Now let's continue. Place the second image here in the first frame, and place the third image in the second frame. Let's go back to the file and copy the last prompt. Paste it here, hit Generate, and let's check the result. Once it's done, hit play to see how it looks. Now we are finished creating the videos. Go to any editing software to combine the 2 videos into one. I am going to use CapCut. Place the 2 videos here. You can add calm music in the background or keep the original sound. It's up to you. Now, after finishing, hit Export. Now you can upload the video to your channel and wait for the views. You can easily create 10 videos a day. As you saw, it only took a few minutes. Hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching. For more educational videos like this about AI and making money online, hit like and subscribe to stay updated. See you soon, take care of yourselves, and peace.